Welcome to Setup Mastery, your go-to channel for all things tech. Here, we explore the latest gadgets, unbox cutting-edge devices, and provide step-by-step installation guides to help you optimize your setup. Subscribe now and join our journey to master the art of perfect setups. In today's video, we'll guide you step-by-step through the process of resetting your BrosTrend AX1500 Wi-Fi range extender. Whether you're troubleshooting an issue or simply want to begin the setup process from scratch, resetting the device is an easy and effective solution. Let's dive right in. Resetting the BrosTrend AX1500 Wi-Fi range extender can be necessary to resolve connectivity issues, clear old settings, or start fresh with a new configuration. It restores the device to its factory defaults, helping resolve network problems and ensuring a smooth setup or troubleshooting process. Plug the power adapter into the extender and connect it to a power outlet close to your router. Wait for the power LED to turn solid green, which means the extender is powered on and ready for setup. First, locate the reset button on your BrosTrend AX1500. It's a small, recessed pinhole button, typically found on the back or bottom of the extender. You'll need a paperclip, pin, or something similar to press and hold the button. To reset the extender, use a paperclip or pin to press and hold the reset button inside the hole for approximately 10 to 15 seconds. While holding, you'll notice the power LED light on the extender will begin blinking, signaling the reset process. After you release the reset button, the extender will start the reset process. The power LED will keep blinking for a while and eventually turn solid once the reset is finished. This may take a minute or two, so be patient and let it complete. After the reset, the extender will return to its default factory settings. This means all your custom settings, like the Wi-Fi network name and password, will be erased. You'll need to set it up again from scratch, just like when you first got it. Follow the setup process using the WPS or manual setup methods to reconnect it to your router. After reconfiguring the extender, test the Wi-Fi connection on your devices to ensure everything is functioning properly. You should notice improved Wi-Fi coverage, with a stronger and more reliable signal throughout your home, especially in areas that previously had weak connectivity. If you run into any issues or need assistance, our experienced team of professionals is always available to help. Don't hesitate to reach out for expert support and guidance. Contact us anytime at 1-323-507-371. We're here for you. And that's it. You've successfully reset your BrosTrend AX1500 Wi-Fi range extender. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tech tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching.